So we're gonna boil hot dogs in blue Gatorade. It's real Gatorade, not fake Gatorade. Alright, so let's pop these bad boys open. You know, Hebrew National, you know what they say. It's good enough for the rabbi, it's good enough for me. I'm not happy about this. It smells so bad. I probably shouldn't be doing this with rubber, but I mean, how good can boiling Gatorade be for you to begin with? They have to be done by now. That is a purple hot dog. Fun, healthy, and budget friendly. Can't get better than a hot dog. It tastes just like a Slim Jim, but like more chemical somehow. It's really not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.